In this video, I will show you how to see your Telegram password if you forgot it and regain access back to your Telegram account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to your Chrome browser. Open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon in Chrome browser. If you have not logged into your Chrome browser, consider to log in with your Google account detail. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. After a successful login, proceed to Google Password Manager. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then look for Telegram account details. So here we go. Go ahead and click on Telegram. Verify your Google account identity. Boom. And you have access back to your Telegram username and the password. You can simply click on this eye icon to fill the password, or click on here to copy the password and re-log in back to your Telegram account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Telegram topics like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.